Morning all of you. In today's lecture we will see Arrowton shunt method. In previous lecture we have seen basic millimeter and multi-range millimeter. Arrowton shunt method is used in the multi-range millimeter. Arrowton shunt method is nothing but when there is a possibility of damage to the meter, that time this method is used. The more advantage of this Arrowton shunt method is when there is a higher current range in the circuit, that time the shunt resistor Rm is become high due to the circuit. Arrowton shunt method is also called as a universal shunt method. From the circuit diagram we will derive the equation R1, R2, R3 is in parallel with Rm resistor, which is nothing but a meter. IFSD is nothing but a full scale deflection, which is 100 microammeter. Rm is nothing but the internal resistance, which is a 500 ohms. This is a switch which is given. It's a supply plus or minus. Switch which is used to selecting the range at different stages. When the switch is at 1 milliammeter, that time the position will be R1 plus R2 plus R3, which is in parallel with the meter, where IFSD is equal to 100 microammeter and Rm is equal to 500 ohms. That time the shunt resistor is able to pass the current is a 1 milliammeter to 0.1 is nothing but a 0.9 milliammeter. Now we will derive the equation when the R1 plus R2 plus R3 is equal to IFSD into Rm upon I range minus IFSD. IFSD is nothing but a full scale deflection and Rm is nothing but a internal resistor in the circuit. I range is equal to I, which is nothing but a current and is a full scale deflection. When there is a switch is at 10 milliammeter, that time the shunt resistor is R2 plus R3 and R1 which is given R2 plus R3. When the switch is at 10 milliammeter, that time the R1 is in series with the meter resistance. Okay. That time R2 plus R3 equal to IFSD into Rm plus R1 upon I range minus IFSD. This is equation 2. Third, R3 equal to IFSD into Rm plus R1 plus R2 upon I range minus IFSD. Equation 3. As we have calculated by the circuit R1, R2 and R3. Now we will see basic DC voltmeter. Basic DC voltmeter means we will see diagram first of DC voltmeter. This is a resistor this is a meter. IFSD and Rm is equal to 500 ohms and IFSD is equal to 100 microammeter. This is the RS which is across is a connected a multiplier. This is a supply which is given to a circuit is nothing but a voltage. V range is nothing but a 0 to 10 volt. From the diagram we have clear that the movement which is in the circuit is a full scale deflection, which is a current to the circuit is a full scale deflection. Okay. Now we will see in DC voltmeter IFSD is equal to 100 microammeter and Rm is equal to 500 ohms. To measure the maximum voltage, that time to measure maximum voltage across 500 ohms into 10 microammeter is equal to 50 millivolt. Hence, we select movement of 10 volt measurement. That time the current flowing through the meter will be 10 volt upon Rm. Rm is nothing but the internal resistance. 10 volt upon 500 ohms, which is 20 milliammeter. From the diagram we have cleared that IFSD equal to 100 microammeter and Rm is equal to 500 ohms. In the circuit, the movement which is across the circuit is IFSD. As when we select the movement for 10 volt, that time the current across the meter will be 10 volt upon 500 ohms, is nothing but a 20 milliammeter. Hence, current across the meter is greater than IFSD. Current across the meter is 20 milliammeter, which is greater than IFSD. It is not okay because the current flowing to the meter should be reduced or excess voltage drop across the series resistance. RS, which is given in the circuit, is a multiplier which is connected to convert them into a voltmeter. RS is nothing but a multiplier which is connected for convert them into a voltmeter. From the diagram we have clear that RS and Rm in series. From the diagram we will derive the equation now. In practical we have derived as KCL and KVL. By that equation, by KVL law, we will derive the equation of basic DC voltmeter. Hence, by KVL, V range is nothing but a voltage. V range means nothing but a voltage. V is equal to V range. Voltage across RS plus voltage across Rm. V is equal to Vs plus Vm. The current in the circuit which is given is IFSD, is nothing but a full scale deflection. And the voltage across the circuit at the terminal which is given a 10 volt. As we have to calculate that, RS should be calculated for IFSD and 12 volt. IFSD at 10 volt. We have to calculate that RS should be calculated at IFSD is equal to 10 volt. Okay. Then V is equal to Vs is nothing but IFSD into voltage across the RS is Vs. Means IFSD into RS plus IFSD voltage across the RM is nothing but a Vm. IFSD into RM. Now IFSD into RS is equal to V minus IFSD into RM. As we have to calculate that RS, we have to calculate that when IFSD is equal to 10 volt, then we should separate the RS as RS equal to V upon IFSD minus RM, where V is equal to V range. Thus, the basic DC voltmeter which we have proved from the circuit, and we have derived the equation from the circuit, and the derivation of the equation from the circuit which we have done by the KVL law, which is nothing but a Kirchhoff voltage law. Second topic, which is a multi-range DC voltmeter. Multi-range DC voltmeter. Multi-range DC voltmeter. Voltmeter is nothing but it is like a multimeter, which looks like a multimeter. Only some method which is used in voltmeter is different than the multimeter. In multi-range DC voltmeter is nothing but a multimeter have different multiplier which are connected in series with the measure or with the movement for different voltage measurement. Okay. In the multi-range DC voltmeter is nothing but a multimeter which they have used, and the multimeter, in the multimeter the different multipliers are connected in series with the movement for different voltage measurement. Okay, they have connected different multiplier in series for different voltage measurement. Now we will see the multi-range DC voltmeter. First we will draw the diagram of multi-range DC voltmeter. It is a meter. IFSD is nothing but a full scale deflection. It is the RM. This is a resistor which is a R1, R2, R3. And the volt which is given across the R1 is 10 volt, R2 is 50 volt, and R3 is 100 volt. And the supply which is given is a plus and minus. And IFSD is equal to 0.1 milliammeter in DC voltmeter. This is the switch which is given for selecting the range at different stage. When the switch is, sometimes the switch is at R1 which is a reflect the 10 volt. Sometimes the switch is at R2 is nothing but a 50 volt. After that it is a switch will be in at R3 which is a 10 volt. Now we will derive the equation for DC voltmeter, which is when the switch is at 10 volt